Hi, welcome to Legal Travel. Today's topic is contempt of court with the case review of Advocate Prashant Bhushan. Before watching the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos and hit the bell icon for channel notifications. Let's start the video. Recently, the Supreme Court, a three-judge bench headed by Justice Arun Misra, found two tweets by lawyer Prashant Bhushan amounting to serious contempt of court. One of his tweets was about the role of the last four Chief Justices of India and other one about current Chief Justice of India riding an expensive motorcycle during lockdown without a mask. A bench of Justices Arun Misra, B.R. Gavai and Krishna Murari said in this case that a citizen was entitled to make fair criticism of judges and the judiciary, but free speech must remain entrenched within the boundaries of reasonable restrictions listed under Article 19 Clause 2, and also stated that if a citizen while exercising his right under Article 19 Clause 1, that is freedom of speech and expression, exceeds the limits and makes a statement which tends to scandalize the judges and the institution of administration of justice, such an action would come in the ambit of contempt of court. Article 19 Clause 1 of the Indian Constitution says that all citizens shall have the right to freedom of speech and expression, but this right is subject to limitations imposed under Article 19 Clause 2, which empowers the state to put reasonable restrictions on the following grounds. The grounds of reasonable restrictions are security of the state, friendly relations with foreign states, public order, decency and morality, contempt of court, defamation, incitement to offense, and integrity and sovereignty of India. And Advocate Prashant Bhushan also liable under Article 129 of Indian Constitution, which makes the Supreme Court a court of record. What is a court of record? A court of record is a court whose records are admitted to be of evidentiary value and they are not to be questioned when they are produced before the court. The power to punish for contempt of court has been expressly conferred on the Supreme Court by our Constitution. Now, what is contempt of court? Contempt of courts as defined under the Contempt of Courts Act 1971. According to the Contempt of Courts Act 1971, contempt of court can either be civil contempt or criminal contempt. Civil contempt means willful disobedience to any judgment, decree, direction, order, writ or other process of a court or willful breach of an undertaking given to a court. Criminal contempt means the publication, whether by words spoken or written by signs, or by visible representation or otherwise, of any matter or doing of any act whatsoever which scandalizes or tends to scandalize or lowers or tends to lower the authority of any court, or prejudices or interferes or tends to interfere with the due course of any judicial proceeding, or interferes or tends to interfere with or obstructs or tends to obstruct the administration of justice in any other manner. A judge or magistrate or other person acting judicially shall be liable for contempt of his own court or of any other court in the same manner as any other individual is liable. This section shall not apply to any observations or remarks made by him regarding a subordinate court in an appeal or revision pending before him. Now, which acts are not amount to contempt? Those are innocent publications and its distribution, fair and accurate report of judicial proceedings, fair criticism of judicial act, complaint made in good faith against presiding officers of subordinate courts, and publication of fair and accurate report of a judicial proceeding before a court sitting in camera. A contempt of court may be punished with simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months, or with fine which may extend to Rs 2,000, or with both. And in this case, Justice Arun Misra also stated that the tweet has the effect of destabilizing the very foundation of this important pillar of Indian democracy, and it tends to shake the public confidence in the institution of judiciary. So, Advocate Prashant Bhushan punished with 3 months imprisonment and 2,000 rupees fine. Thank you for watching my video today, and please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.